SRPT stock analysis and SRPT stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'll break down my exact play with Sarepta Therapeutics. I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with this, it's melting. Like, I'm not even trying to be that bad guy. It's just the truth, you know. It is melting down. Yeah, don't like it. The likelihood that we keep melting is still high. Like, but Mr. Sicko, when is this gonna pump up? First of all, I'm not a wizard to know those details. Like, whatever anyone tells you, they're just assuming, and that's it. But I'm just sticking to my rules that I've refined for 5 years, and I know following my data has worked and made sense for me. Now, please do your own due diligence, but if it pumps up and gives me a double break here, it's still going to be a downside prediction for me. It doesn't matter. So if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.